Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install React on your Android device. Okay, so most people code on their Android. Not everyone uses laptop to code due to lack of resource or something like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you if you want to code React on your phone, you can and it's possible. So I'll be showing you how to do it step by step. Okay, first of all, you need two tools or two apps. I'll drop the link to download them in the description of this video. The first one is Tamox, which is your server and or terminal, and the other one is a code editor, which is the code editor you'll be using to edit and code on your React server. Okay, first, once you have your Tamox app installed, first command you type is apt updates and apt upgrade. So once you've done that, you should get this prompt. Then click on Y for yes to continue. Okay, we got an error. So what we'll do, let's go back again. First of all, type apt hyphen get, then updates. Okay, then let's type apt upgrade this time around. Then y. Okay, so I forwarded that to not waste much of our time. But in the process, you get some prompts, so you just answer Y to all the prompts or I to install whatever needs to be installed. Okay, so when you get to this point, you type apt install Node.js. Sorry, I made a mistake and that's Node.js. Then Y. Take a couple of minutes, just be patient. Okay, Node.js is installed. So the next thing we'll install now is our React app dependency. So you type npm for Node Package Manager, then I for install, then -g, then creates React app, then hit enter and allow this to run. So this may take a couple of minutes. To not waste much of our time, I'll just skip and resume it where we have our create react app installed. Okay, so now we have this installed. The next thing we'll do now is to create the app itself, which is the React file. So npx creates, sorry, npx creates React app. Now, NPS has some naming rules. So if you are creating a React app, you use lowercase or true. So I'll just call this my app and hit enter. So this will take you some couple of minutes, about 3 to 5 minutes to take you some time. So I'll forward to the end of this. So when this has run, you should get this now. Actually ls. Then I have this too. The other one, ignore it, it was a mistake. So you type cd my app, which is the first one. Then npm start to start the React server. And let's wait for it to start up. So while that starts up, let me show you how you can edit the files of the app. So this is the code editor over here, a code editor. Okay, so once it has opened, come over here and click on open folder. So you add paths and select folder. So this will take you to your local storage. So click on these three icons over here and click on Tamox. So it will open all the files in Tamox, and this is the app we created, which is my app. I will use this folder, allow. So I'll open up this my app and click on this check icon. Just exit this and okay. So these are the files, the React files which we created. These are everything. So if you go to app.js, you see the files you need there. So let's go back to Timox. Our development server has been set up. So in case this doesn't open up your browser automatically, you go to Chrome and type localhost 3000. Let's do that together. Hosts hyphen semicolon 3000. Then you should have this over here. So you have your React setup. So if you're going to edit any code or you want to code anything from scratch, you go over your code, you go over to your code editor, and from there you edit and refresh over here and you see it. So if you want to close the server up, you just close it from Thermox. You can exit the session and it will be closed. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.